to relationship between KH, KW and Ka. The ionic product of water is given by Kw is equal to H, concentration of H plus into concentration of OH minus, equation number 2. We got another value Kw. Now, the dissociation of the weak acid HI can be expressed as HA reversible arrow H plus, that is dissociate and forms H plus and A minus. Its dissociation constant is given by Ka. Dissociation constant of the acid is given by concentration of H plus into concentration of A minus divided by concentration of HA. Equation number 3. We got third one. Now, dividing the equation 2 by 3, that means Kw by Ka. Kw by Ka, write the values of Kw. This is the value of Kw, H plus, concentration of H plus into concentration of OH minus divided by concentration of H plus into concentration of A minus divided by HA. On simplification, we get Kw by Ka is equal to concentration of OH minus into concentration of HA divided by A minus. Actually, that value from the equation 1, that is KH. Therefore, Kw by Ka can be written as KH. We got another value. Now, next is the degree of hydrolysis and pH. Let C be the initial concentration of the salt AB in solution and H is its degree of hydrolysis. Thus, for every mole of AB initially taken, H moles of it undergo hydrolysis. In this case, we have A minus plus H2O undergoes dissociation and forms HA plus OH minus. Initial concentration is C. At that time, concentration of HA and OH minus is 0. Concentration at equilibrium, C into 1 minus H, that is concentration of A minus. Concentration of HA is equal to CH. Concentration of OH minus is CH. Therefore, at equilibrium, concentration of A minus is equal to C into 1 minus H. Concentration of HA is equal to CH. Concentration of OH minus is equal to CH. Substituting the value, KH is equal to CH into CH divided by C into 1 minus H. Consider that H is very small. That means 1 minus H is equal to 1. Therefore, KH is equal to C square H square by C into 1 minus H. Cancelling the C, KH is equal to CH square by 1 minus H, where we can write 1 minus H is equal to 1. Therefore, KH is equal to CH square. Therefore, H square is equal to KH by C and H is equal to root of KH by C. But we know that what is KH? KH is equal to KW by Ka. That is, H is equal to root of KW by Ka into C. Final step, calculation of pH of the salt solution. In the case of hydrolysis of a salt of a weak acid and a strong base, concentration of OH minus is equal to CH. Therefore, Kw is equal to concentration of H plus into concentration of OH minus. From this equation, we can get the concentration of H plus. Concentration of H plus is equal to Kw by OH minus. That is, concentration, we know the concentration of OH is equal to CH. Substitute that value, concentration of H plus is equal to Kw by CH, equation number 8. That means we got what is concentration. Now taking logarithm and arriving at the final step. From the equation and substitute the value of H is equal to Kw by Ka, see root of. Substituting the value of H means concentration of H plus ion is equal to Kw by C divided by Kw by C, that is Ka. We are going to substitute the value. Ka is equal to Kw by C divided by Kw root of Kw by Ka into C. That is from the equation here. Kw by Ch, that is the value that we are going to substitute. In that, Kw is there, C is there, we are going to substitute the value of H. H is this. In that, there is root of this full value to be substituted, divided by Kw by C divided by, this is the value of H. Substituting the value of H here, this is the position of H. Therefore, this value is to be here. Below Kw, Ch. This is the value of H. On simplification, we get K concentration of H plus ion is equal to, on simplifying this full values, you get Kw into Ka divided by C raised to the power half. If you get this value only, your simplification is correct, which is equal to pH means negative log to the base 10 concentration of H plus ion. Therefore, on the left hand side, that is known as pH. Negative log to the base 10 concentration of H plus, that is here. Negative log to the base 10 concentration of H plus means pH. Therefore, pH is equal to minus log to the base 10, this full factor raised to the power half. Now expand the equation, simplify, you will get the final answer. That is minus log to the base 10 Kw minus half, that is half, minus half log to the base 10 Kw minus half log to the base 10 Ka plus, that is minus of minus, denominator becomes numerator, plus half log to the base 10 C. Minus log to the base 10 Kw is known as pKw. Minus log to the base 10 Ka is equal to pKa plus half log to the base 10. Ninth equation. This is the equation that we need for the second case. For this, you derive the equation by means of first step, then use the salt CONA, this is a weak acid and this is a strong base. Derive the equation with the 4 steps, get the final same answer you should get. Then try to do the assignment.